Hello everyone, here we're going to present on Cook Corner Kitchen Strategic Marketing Plan and also the Family Restaurant Preference Analysis in Bintulu, Sarawak. It's one of the food and beverage service industry which located at RPR BDACBU in Bintulu, Sarawak. The restaurant was established on 2017. Number of workers was 7 workers, while the restaurant operates from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. In Cook on the Kitchen, people of various age and race came as customer. Since Cook on the Kitchen is a family-style restaurant, there are a lot of family with different size come. As for psychographic, the food and beverage that available was based on customer preference from different races and religion. While for behavioral, the arrangement of table as customer preference was before pandemic, while after pandemic, customer much prefer on cash on delivery. Geographic segmentation. Cook on the Kitchen has a strategic location as they located literally at the corner near the entrance of intersection. Cook on the Kitchen also the only one Muslim restaurant in the residential area. Sales and service tax was introduced. This lead the business expenses will be higher because whether goods are import or export, sales tax is part of the cost inventory and will be deducted as a transaction cost. As for economy, COVID-19 new norm changed the smooth of restaurant progression. This led the restaurant unable to operate for a few months and face huge loss. As for social, Kukono unable to be noticed by the customer is located nearer to the few of non-Muslim restaurants. As for technology, the trend, which online order and delivery service through application, which this lead to attract new customer as customer tend to choose food delivery through application with a varied menu from different restaurants. French, the business strategy was different compared to the other competitor. During pandemic COVID-19, they managed to operate through cash on delivery. While for the weakness, they have limited and not appropriate parking space, which lead them to receive limited number of customers. As for opportunity, the unstable economy due to pandemic, they managed to plan when a lot of good price change over the budget they estimate they will change the menu to the one that use cheaper ingredient and attract more customer. As for trade, the first trade was surrounded by a lot of non-halal restaurants which attract a negative perception from customer. The second trade was the pandemic static is going up and down and difficult to predict how and when it will end and lead them to facing loss. As for the recommendation, the cook owner should upgrade the side parking area, collaborate with other food delivering service such as Foodpanda or GrabFood, demonstrate how they sanitize their premise and how they make sure the food that the customer will receive is safe, improve the promotional strategy and having a better planning ahead by having a planning team.
On this part, we explain aspect of choosing a restaurant, which is price, value perception, quality, decoration, expectation, and as current issue that occur, which is related to COVID-19. There are 6 restaurants that we evaluate, which are SB Mama, Kukone Kitchen, Laksa House, Sajian Mas, Ayam Penyet Ria, and Sri Kandi Cafe, and we use questionnaire for these restaurants. The result of the survey was converted to average from percentage. We calculated each and every questions. From the previous data, we converted into spiderweb graph. This is the overall conclusion graph of each aspect, and we can see clearly the Kukone Kitchen did not focus the decoration aspect. This is the calculation for the previous slide. The best restaurant will have the highest overall average. As a conclusion, the most preferred family restaurant goes to Ayam Penyet Ria, then followed by Sri Kandi Cafe, Laksa House, Sajian Mas, SB Mama, and the last Cook on the Kitchen.